Let's talk about student collaboration. When it works, students bounce ideas, build on each other's thinking, and learn together. But when it doesn't, well, it's like asking 25 kids to share one glue stick. Collaboration is one of the most important skills students can build, but they need the right structure to make it work. That's where Canva comes in. In this lesson, we'll walk you through setting up, managing, and supporting group projects in Canva, so collaboration runs smoothly and your students actually stay focused and on task. Collaboration is a lifelong skill. We cultivate it in the classroom, but these habits stick with students long after, showing up in how they communicate, problem solve, and work with others in the real world. Let's kick things off with a classic project that works at any age, a class presentation where each student adds their own About Me slide. It's a creative and low-pressure way to introduce collaboration, whether you're 8 or 18. Go to the Canva homepage, select Templates, and type in Our Class. Select Category and select Presentation. Wow, lots of fun options. Choose your favourite. I really love the colours in this one. Let's head here to rename our presentation. Now, I need to get it student ready. Remove the pages that aren't relevant by selecting and deleting them. I'll duplicate this page so I can tailor it for my students. I'll change the title and leave a blank text box for them. Next, I'll make 25 copies of this slide for each student in my class. Great! Got a bigger class? Just add more slides. Now it's ready to share. I'll tap Share, choose my class, and select Send Notification. I'll type a quick message, change access to Can Edit, and turn on the option to notify me when the design has been accessed. Tap Send, and that's it. Or you can easily make an edit link and share it directly to your LMS. Everyone's collaborating on the same design in real time. What an easy way to bring students together. No more lost links or mix-ups here. Just one shared space where everyone's on the same page. How many times have you wondered what your students are actually doing? With Canva, you can track what your students are creating in real time. It allows students and you to see the creative process as it happens. Now let's find out how students access the shared design. Once you've assigned it, they'll find it in their notifications. One click and they're in. They claim a slide, then make it their own, with text, images, stickers, even short videos. It's their moment to shine. And teachers, well, you'll enjoy a live view of who's working, what's happening, and who might need a quick nudge. You'll see live student avatars at the top of the presentation, showing you who's currently in the design. You can ask them to type their name on the slide right away, so no one doubles up. You can view live activity throughout the presentation and see everyone's changes as they happen. No refreshing required. It's like a digital poster board your whole class can contribute to. Pretty great, right? It's a space you're holding open for collaboration, creativity, and connection. As the teacher, you can see who's active, check in on progress, or just sit back and relax and let your students do their thing. Now that everyone's working, this is normally when you get a few hands up or you get comments like, "Is this what you meant?" The great thing is, feedback doesn't have to interrupt the flow. Students and teachers can leave comments right inside the design. To leave a comment, highlight any part of the slide, a text box, image, or drawing, and select the comment icon. You can add feedback, tag a student with the @ symbol, or use emojis for quick reactions. I really love what Lola has added in here, but she's forgotten to add a photo of herself. I'll leave a comment to remind her. Students can also comment on group work. peer feedback can really help students to lift their game. And if you want to track the feedback you or your students have left, go to the comment filter to view unresolved threads or comments, just for you. All comments stay anchored to the exact element, so there's no confusion about what you're referring to. So now, students are giving feedback, responding to each other, and building real communication and teamwork skills. And for you, it means less chasing up and more supporting where it matters. Nice one. As students collaborate, you might want to check who's made changes or roll things back if something's gone missing. Sometimes you can't help accidentally deleting your friend's page. Luckily, Canva's got you covered, so you can easily recover work. First up, I'll select File, then Version History to see a full timeline of changes. You can scroll through earlier versions and restore anything you need, just like a time machine for your project. Here, I've got a restored version from right when I began the project, just in case any slide got deleted. You can also stay organised by checking the Projects tab in your class folder. It shows when files were last updated and who's been active. Whether you're giving feedback, checking who's been active, or restoring something a student accidentally deleted, you're in control. Canva gives you full visibility without the need to micromanage. It's all about setting up the space and then trusting your students to take the lead. Now that your students are finished, let's review their work and get it ready to share with their families. Involving parents or guardians helps build a supportive class environment and gives students a chance to feel really proud of what they've created. Cue the proud smiles! Now that the collaborative design is finished, let's take a moment to celebrate the work your class has created. Lola, so clever! I love how you added your own voice and creativity. Jonathan, your AI image? Honestly, better than I could have done. Bravo! This is looking so good. We definitely don't want to keep it to ourselves. It's time to share it with families and give them a window into the classroom. Sharing is easy with Canva. Just tap Share, choose View Only link, then drop that link into your class website or an email. And here's a bonus. Tap this button to check out analytics and see how families are engaging with what students have created. I love seeing that data roll in. It's such a simple way to build an engaged classroom community. And that's it. You've just walked through a full collaborative project from start to finish. With Canva, you can set up a shared space, support real-time collaboration, guide feedback, and collect one final submission, all without chasing links or juggling tabs. Now, it's your turn. Try a collaborative About Me presentation with your class, or apply these steps to any group project. We can't wait to see what you create.